Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another design tutorial. Today, we're focusing on Twitter and how to create eye-catching posts using Canva. Twitter is all about quick, impactful messages, and with the right design, you can make sure your tweets stand out. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to canva.com and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free and easy to sign up. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner and type Twitter post in the search bar. Canva will open up a blank canvas with the ideal dimensions for a Twitter post. This ensures your design looks perfect when you upload it. Selecting a template. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of templates specifically designed for Twitter. These templates are great for getting started quickly, but today, we'll create our own design from scratch to give you complete creative control. Adding background and photo. Let's begin by setting a background. Click on the background and choose a color that matches your brand or the message you want to convey. You can also upload a custom image or use one of Canva's free photos. Let's add photo frames and find a best photo to match your design. You can adjust them to make it look just right. Adding and customizing text. Next, it's time to add some text. Click on the Text tab on the left and select Add a heading. Type in your message. Remember, Twitter is all about short, impactful statements, so keep it concise. Customize the font, size, and color to make your text stand out. Position your text in a way that is easy to read and visually appealing. Use contrasting colors to ensure your text pops against the background. Adding elements. To enhance your design, add some visual elements like icons, shapes, or illustrations. Click on the Elements tab and search for graphics that complement your message. Arrange these elements around your text to create a balanced composition. Make sure not to overcrowd your design. Simplicity is key on Twitter. Adding a logo. Don't forget to add your logo for brand recognition. Upload it under the Uploads tab and place it in a corner where it's visible but doesn't distract from your main message. Previewing and downloading the design. When you're happy with your design, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose PNG or JPG for high-quality images. And that's it. You've just created a stunning Twitter post in Canva. Now you have an eye-catching Twitter post ready to boost your social media game. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.